Hey everybody, I'm here boiling some maple sap on the smokeless fire pit. Just want to show you guys what this looks like. This thing is working really well. You can see pretty much all 88 of the holes, except the ones on this side, are flaming up. So I think, not sure why these aren't firing up, I don't know. But it's doing a really good job boiling the sap. I just fired this up maybe 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. And you can see, I mean, you can't compare this to a propane burner. I'm sorry. The amount of flames coming out around here. And you gotta realize that this secondary combustion here is about the same heat output as natural gas. It's equivalent to natural gas or propane. So you can see I've got 88 large holes all around this thing. So, and I think my sap is about to boil. You can hear the boil rumbling, I guess. There's a little bit of smoke, but I think, I'm not sure why that's happening. It wasn't the other day, so might be the kind of wood I've got in there. This thing is just an inferno. Seriously boiling. Here we go. I think the wind had stopped this side from warming up earlier. So I think it's probably going to warm up now and start firing from this side as well. See, those holes aren't firing yet. All the ones on that side are firing, all the ones in the back are firing. That's some serious flames. Bought myself a new pot. Can't tell. It's already full, black full of soot. Here we go, the boiling's starting here. And this one's got a little vent hole which I plugged with this paper towel until I get it up and boiling. But what will happen is it'll off gas the steam through that hole, and then while that starts boiling, I'm gonna go out and collect some more sap. So a cool feature of this pot stand here is that I've got this is basically a piece of tubing cut in half on each side, and I've got you can't see it here, but it's a piece of I think it's 1/4 inch deep, anyways, piece of steel just welded from about here to here on each side. Actually, you can see it on this side here. You see that piece of steel right there, and what that does is it slides inside here, so I can pull the pot over, fill the wood in, and then push it back over using this little tool here that came with the fireplace. You could use a piece of wood, push on that side and push on this side, and then the legs are just this piece is tapped with a 1/4 inch hole, so I can put this bolt on, and then when I'm done to store this, I'll just unscrew this, flip the legs up, so it'll just fold compact here lengthwise, and I could just put this up somewhere in one of my sheds till next year. So there's steam coming out, a little steam hole. Ooh. And we're talking a serious boil happening in here. Enough that it might overflow. Those bubbles are just boiling. I've never seen anything this effective at boiling off sap, really. I've been boiling sap for years. Used to do it on a wood stove at the cottage, and when we moved here, I did it on the rocket stove, and the rocket stove wasn't boiling nowhere near that. Some serious boiling. So if you like these kinds of videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. It gives me a little encouragement to keep putting these on here. Smash that thumbs up button, please. Thanks. Bye.